Hawkins is broken. The Upside Down has merged with our reality. Vecna's plan succeeded, and now we face the final three chapters of the greatest D&D game ever. Volume 2 is called The End Game, and the internet is on fire. We've collected the three wildest, most believable theories about who dies, who lives, and how they finally beat Henry Creel. Theory 1, the Byers Redemption arc. Will's connection to Vecna is the key. The fans believe Will has tapped into the hive mind, giving him psychic powers, not to create like L, but to broadcast and disrupt. He won't just be sensing him, he'll be fighting him internally. Will is going to be the anti-mind flayer, acting as a human firewall to overload Vecna's network, while L delivers the final physical blow in the real world. Theory 2, Max's mental rescue. Max is in a coma, trapped in the mindscape called Camazotz. L has to dive in after her, but she'll need help navigating Vecna's mental defenses. Fan Theory Gold. Callie is coming back. Remember number 8 from Season 2? Her illusion powers are the perfect tool to break Max out. She can disguise L from Vecna's defenses and create an exit strategy from the mental prison. Theory 3, the true final boss. We think Vecna is the ultimate villain, but what if he's just the general? The true final villain is the Mind Flayer itself. Vecna created the gates, but the Flayer is the physical monster destined for the final battle. This sets up the ultimate climax. Will neutralizes the psychic link. L fights Vecna and the rest of the gang. Hopper, Joyce, Steve, Nancy face the enormous physical manifestation of the Mind Flayer in the real world. The ultimate D&D showdown. Finally, the tragic part, the sacrifice. The Duffer brothers hinted that not everyone makes it. The safest bet for heartbreak? Steve Harrington. His arc is complete. He's gone from a jerk to the best babysitter. His noble sacrifice protects the kids and gives Nancy the final push she needs. The finale is titled The Right Side Up. Whether the top theories are right, we know it ends with a bang. What are you betting on? Let us know your favorite theory.